This is Dominican Bacalao con huevos, salt cod and eggs. And if you grew up in a Dominican house, the smell of this alone takes you straight back to a Friday afternoon. But here's the part that makes or breaks it. Salt cod is packed in so much salt, it's basically inedible straight out of the package. So a pound of dried bacalao goes into a big bowl of cold water, covered by a couple inches, and it soaks in the fridge for a full day. Change that water 2 or 3 times. That's the whole secret. Every time you swap the water, a little more salt leaves the fish. I did mine last night, so let me show you where we pick up the next day. Drain it off, and now let's prep, because everything moves fast after this. First the cod, flake it apart with your fingers into bite-sized pieces and feel for bones as you go. They love to hide. Pull every one. Now the aromatics. 1 red onion, sliced as thin as you can get it. And yeah, red, not yellow. In a lot of Dominican kitchens, red onion is what goes in the pan, and it melts right into the dish. A green bell pepper and a red one, same thing, thin strips. 3 cloves of garlic, minced fine. And don't go buy a jar of the pre-minced stuff. Your abuela can smell that through the screen. Crack 6 eggs into a bowl and beat them up. I go heavy on the eggs in this one. You'll see why in a second. Set those right by the stove, because when it's time, it's time. Okay, that's all the prep. Now we cook, and this part's quick. Into my all-clad non-stick, 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste goes right into the warm oil. Let it cook for about a minute until it turns deep and rich and a little sweet. That's your whole flavor base in one move. In go the onion, both peppers, and the garlic. 3 or 4 minutes, just until everything softens up and your kitchen starts smelling like somebody's abuela is in the building. Then the bacalao goes in. Stir it so every flake gets coated in that tomato oil. Sprinkle in a teaspoon of adobo. Go easy, the fish is already seasoned. And a few cracks of black pepper. Let that cook together for about 8 to 10 minutes. While all that's happening, I've got frozen yuca going in a pot of boiling water with a good pinch of salt. That's it. That's the whole trick. No peeling, no drama. Until a fork slides right through. And while that's going real quick, let me tell you something the soak taught me. You can't rush the salt out of anything. Not cod, not a bad week, not a grudge. You just keep changing the water and giving it time. And one day you taste it again and it's finally good. Anyway, back to the food. Drop the heat to medium-low and pour in those 6 eggs straight over the top. That's what gives you that soft, custardy, eggy texture in every bite. Let them sit 30 seconds, then fold. Slow and gentle. Don't scramble them to death. You want soft curds, glossy, pulled off the heat while they still look a little underdone. They finish themselves. Plate it up. The bacalao con huevos, that boiled yuca soaking up all the flavor, and sliced avocado, which in my house is not a suggestion, it's the law. Shower of fresh cilantro over the top, and that's a real Dominican plate. The full printable recipe with the exact soak times and every measurement is over on kelvinskitchen.com. Go grab it, make it this weekend, and come tell me how it turned out.